Hello, little friends. Welcome back to Pip's little world. What did Pip find today? Pooh, something small and fuzzy brown is rolling by.
A kiwi.
That's right. It's a fuzzy little kiwi.
Kiwi. Kiwi.
Let's cut it open and see inside. Look, green inside with a ring of little seeds. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The kiwi is brown outside, green inside, and juicy.
Yummy. Kiwi is sweet and a little tangy.
Did you know? A kiwi is soft and fuzzy on the outside.
Bye-bye, kiwi.
What will Pip find tomorrow? See you next time. Bye-bye.